Well, they are a new health practice here in Southern Nevada, but there's not new doctors, a bunch of green people running around wondering what a stethoscope is. No, these are some very, very amazing doctors that have come together for partners in primary care. It's a senior focused primary care, and it's all about putting an all star team around you to make sure that your health is the number one priority.
That's right. Healthcare via a team. It's great. And joining us now is a face that's very familiar to the Morning Blend, Dr. Tracy Wakefield. She is now the Regional Medical Director at Partners in Primary Care. First off, Doctor, great to see you opening this new clinic. And I believe you just opened the first one last week. Congrats.
We actually, this week, yep, we're actually saw our first patient here today in our Spring Valley office.
Fantastic. So, well, this is an exciting time. I know this is one of many different locations they'll be opening over the next year or so in Southern Nevada. Tell us about what Partners in Primary Care is all about.
So, Partners in Primary Care is all about senior focused primary care. We understand that seniors have special needs and unique needs. And so, we've really created an entire care team to center ourselves around this senior focused primary care.
Yeah, and doctor, can we discuss some of those special needs that you see, that reoccur with seniors? What are some of the health concerns for seniors?
So even when you start and just think about the physical needs of patients when they come into the office, seniors have specific needs. So our clinics are physically built to meet those needs, whether they're mobility issues, our halls are wider, we have exam tables that go up and down so that patients who have decreased mobility can get on the table and have a good physical exam by their physician. But also we have additional members of our care team, including a RN care coaches who may help patients with specific disease management, like diabetes or congestive heart failure. We also have clinical pharmacists. We know that the aging population are more likely to be on multiple medications, and the clinical pharmacists really assist not only the patients but also the clinicians in driving kind of optimal drug therapy. We also have social workers who help align patients with not only community services but also help them maximize the use of the benefits that they have that they've already have access to in their own health plans.
Which is fantastic to have a team around you that's kind of there to make sure and shepherd you through. Because you think of your typical doctor, you go to the one doctor, they send you another person across town that doesn't really know the same playbook that you're on, and it can get kind of confusing. So the fact that it's everyone working in concert for you is phenomenal. You have how many centers opening in the Las Vegas area?
So right now in 2020, we have six actively opening, pretty much one week after the next. Six here by the end of 2020, and then we have two additional clinics opening up in early 2021. So a lot
Excellent.
going on. These are large centers, so it's really exciting.
Well, it's exciting to see you're able to open during the pandemic, and frankly, this is great because you're adding additional care to our valley. Las Vegas definitely needs more medical care and more great doctors. So it's great to see that happening even during a difficult year. You also have something called the Mobile Discovery Experience. What is that?
So it's really a unit that goes around the entire valley, allowing patients to really feel and see our clinics before they even step into our clinics as we're kind of rolling through these openings. And it's great. Patients or even anyone is welcome into our mobile discovery experience. They can come in and get a glimpse of what our clinics are going to look like when they show up. Not only the actual flooring that's used, but they can see pictures of the exam rooms. They can also listen to some videos that will talk about our unique care team model and the members of each of the care team, and even learn about each and every role and what are their specific duties are in taking care of our patients. They can also watch videos and testimonials from patients who've been, who've experienced this care team model in our other markets, and kind of discuss what it has meant to the impact of their health and the positive experience that they've had with this. So it's really a great, like I said, to kind of see what it's going to feel like and look like before you even walk into our clinics. You may even have the opportunity to meet some of our care team. They may be actually on site at our mobile discovery experience. So like I said, welcome to everyone.
Well, it's great having
That's
you,
great.
Dr. Wakefield. Great to see you again.
Congratulations.
Congratulations on the openings.
Thank you.
All right. If you want to learn more, you can go to seniorfocusedlasvegas.com. Their number's right there on your screen. 6 locations opening up this year and another 2 early next year. Partners in Primary Care, a proud sponsor of the Morning Blend.